My name is Josh and I've done 3 rounds of 12-week body transformation. Before 12 WBT, my life was very uneventful, quite boring. Always felt very lethargic, so didn't really get out of the house much. Didn't have a lot of confidence to do a lot of things. This particular one time I just looked in the mirror and I was disappointed that I'd let myself get to that point, and I knew it was time to do something about it and make a change. My biggest hurdle before starting 12 WBT was probably my eating habits. Eating takeout 7 days a week and not doing any cooking. I didn't have much energy. I would struggle to get through the workday. I'd go home and just sleep. I had set a goal to run the Adelaide City Debate. It's a dream and a goal that I'd always wanted to achieve, but never been able to get there. Slowly, bit by bit, I worked towards getting there, built up my running ability, got a lot fitter, and then come September I was able to run the City to Bay, and so for me that kept me going, that end goal in sight, and to be able to achieve that goal that I'd always wanted to achieve just felt fantastic. Mum's always been a fantastic cook, but for me then to start cooking for her and invite her around for dinner was something different that I don't normally do, and to show her too, like, Mum, look, you can eat healthy and it still tastes great as well. My life now is a lot more exciting. I feel a lot more confident and happy with who I am. I'm able to dress a way that I'm happy with, to look in the mirror and say, I'm happy with the way I look, which then reflects your personality. For me, that was the most exciting thing, and I felt really proud of being so dedicated for 12 weeks and at the same time achieving the results that I knew I was capable of. If you look at a lifetime and look back, 12 weeks is only so small. To take 12 weeks to change your complete lifestyle is a fantastic feeling. It's great, and it really has changed my life.